Good morning, sunshine. Since I was a kid, I've always enjoyed looking at the stars at night. That's before streetlights hindered the view. And on our first date, Newsom took me out behind Dooley's Tavern and we did some spider shining. So ever since then, I've enjoyed playing with headlamps and flashlights at night. And this was the first time we went out and played with the new GoPro. It has a time-lapse setting called Light Painting. So what we did was put the GoPro on a tripod on the front porch aimed at the Rose of Sharon. You see, moths love to pollinate that at night. We didn't see any hawk moths, but several smaller moths made what I call night doodles in the sky. Here's some examples that I took with the Sony RX100, the old one, back in 2020, in the same location in the front where the Rose of Sharon is. And even though Newsom chuckles at me every time I put the headlamp on, I have a blast. I took this picture down at the farm in the 40-acre fields. There you go.